Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by and spending a little bit of time with us. Well, it finally arrived. I waited all month for it, but my Allure box finally showed up in the mail yesterday, and yesterday I had a very bad day, so I was kind of excited to see it. And I don't know if anybody really wants to see it, but I want to see it, so I'm excited to open it. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm hoping there is some good stuff in here this month. I don't know why they come so late, but they do, so I deal with it. There are worse things in life, you know. Trust me, there are. So Allure Beauty Box is a $15 a month subscription, but if you sign up your first month you do get $5 off, which makes it $10. Some people love this subscription, some people absolutely hate it. I like it. There are different times that I love it, different times that are but I still do it. So let's just get into it. Inside they do give you a little booklet with tells you all of the items that are in it. And that's a very, I don't know what she's doing on the front of this. I'm sorry. I don't know. But either way, that's what we got here. I do find the oddest things amusing. What can I tell you? I am not going to look at that yet because I do not want to know what is in the box. They're also giving us a $20 gift towards your next purchase at Bubble Bar. I have never purchased anything from them, but they do have really cute stuff. So maybe I will try it. I don't know. Let's see. That's not a subscription thing. It's just a website that sells them. So they do have things packaged nicely. I'm not going to look, and I'm going to take out the first item, which is a box. And we have gotten this before. It is, hopefully it is a decent sized jar. It is the Olay Whips Moisturizer. Now you tell me, look at the size of this box. Look at the wasted space of the jar. Now this is a decent sized jar. I was mentioned in my last video that I had gotten a sample of this before, and I did give it to my mom and she did enjoy it. But I just don't understand the size of the box. They could have saved half the box, and just my opinion about waste. I like this because it is a, as they say, a whipped formula that is very, very light and marshmallowy. It does have a really pretty, it is scented, so I mean, if you're sensitive to scents you may not like this, but it feels like a great summertime moisture. I'm going to try this time. I'm going to keep this one in. Wow, it really did make my hand really soft. I will look forward to seeing what, I think they tell you what the full-size price is. As you know, I always tell you how much these samples are worth that we get. I am pulling out the next thing in the Z-Box, and it is a interesting little packet. And this is from Feel, I thought it said Feed. Feel Harmony. Okay, this is a rose petal facial mask. Cool. Ultra concentrated toning gel. They say that rose water is very beneficial to your skin. This is a very interesting thing, but I'm sorry, it really does look like one of those squeezy food package things, or an astronaut thing, but I will be looking this up. And I haven't showed or shared, I should say, my coffee mugs in a long time, and I think that it's time that I do. This is one of my favorite ones because with everything that happened this week to me, this one says, cat to be kitten me, right? Meow. And that's how I'm feeling. Just one of those weeks that if it could go wrong, it did go wrong. And coffee and kittens just make everything better, don't they? Or puppies. Or hamsters. Or whatever. Next thing in here, I'm feeling a large box. This is Derma E. I like stuff from Derma E. Essentials Sun Protection Mineral Powder SPF 30. I haven't worn mineral powder in a long time. I used to be a big fan of Bare Essentials when my skin was younger. As I've gotten older, it does not work for me anymore. I happen to like the packaging. It's really cute. I don't know how this is going to work for me. It does come with a little cover. Oh no, it's actually a sifter. Yay, okay, that is fabulous. I love sifters. You just have to take the little plastic thing off, or else it would be extremely messy. Got that off of there. I'm just going to tap a little bit on the back of my hand. It is a light beigey color. Very, very silky smooth. I'm wondering if this would work as a setting powder, especially that it has SPF in it. I don't know, but that is how I'm actually going to try it. If they give me any kind of directions in there, I will let you know that as well. Going back into the box, I feel a bottle of Ouai. This is a hair care brand I have not tried yet, although I have heard much about. This is a leave-in conditioner, and I love leave-in conditioners. My hair needs all the help that it can get. This is a decent size. This may last me a couple of uses, so I am excited to try that. So far, I'm very, very pleased with both the brands and the sizes of the samples we are getting. Next thing up, I am feeling a pencil. This, from what I can see, is from Makeup Forever. I'm going to put on my glasses because I can't see the small print. It just says color pencil. I don't know whether it's for your lips or your eyes. I'm going to put it on my hand, and then hopefully they will explain what it is. But it is sealed, which I always appreciate. Interestingly enough, it shows both an eye and a face on the pencil. It is in flame red, which, yes, they are not kidding. That is a bluish red tone, which means it's cool tone, which means I don't know how it's going to look on me, but it's very soft. As you can see, it got a little chunky, but that could just be from the tip of it. This is interesting. I will look forward to seeing exactly what this is to be used for. Next thing is another pencil item, and this is from Douce, and we have received these before. This is an eyeliner, and it is in blue, which, wow. Now that is a blue. Oh, wow. So creamy, so soft, and look at that color. This may be bold for some people. I love it. That was so creamy, I expected it to be hard and chunky. No. Absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to play with this. There seem to be 2 things left in this box. So far we received 6 products, and there's 2 things left in the box. That's amazing. The next thing up is from True Organic Pharmacy. It is an antioxidant lip balm. Cool. You can never go wrong with a lip balm. It is in this type of applicator. I'm going to put some on. What the heck? Oh, it smells really good. Oh, and I just stuck it up my nose. And it tastes just as good as it smells. And for the last thing in this box, yay! Oh my goodness. Sunday Riley Luna Sleeping Oil. I love this stuff. I had gotten a sample of it before. The sample, ooh, this is a good size sample. The sample that I got before was half the size. This stuff is super expensive. It is a retinol. Now, I have to tell you, when I first started using this, my skin did purge and I did break out, because what this was doing was freeing all of the impurities from my skin. It was bringing everything to the surface, and therefore you did get a breakout. But that went away. I want to show you that it is blue. It matches very nicely. I don't want to waste like an ounce of this because it's super expensive, which is why I haven't bitten the bullet and gotten it yet again, because I do have several others that I do have to go through. I will tell you another thing, it smells like hell. It smells absolutely awful, but if you can tolerate the smell, it does miracles for your skin. And that is a huge sample. That is worth a lot of money. I'm going to be putting all of the dollar amounts on the screen definitely for this. We got 8 products in this box, which is absolutely phenomenal. I think this has to be the best box that I've received since I've had this subscription, which was probably maybe 8 months or so, I think. I am super happy with it. I look forward to using all of this stuff. If you do get this box, let me know if you got the same things, if there were any variations, and what your thoughts are on all those stuff, and maybe if they continue to step up their game like this, maybe this is not just a one-off. I will encourage many people to sign up for this. I almost forgot to look at the magazine, and we kind of need to know all about the stuff. I now realize that on the picture she's wearing blue eyeliner, by the way. So the first is the Sunday Riley. Oh, I don't need this because the print I think is big enough. No, it's not. The Sunday Riley Luna Sleeping Oil for, they don't tell you the full ounces, but it is $105. Yes, I did say $105. For that I need a sip of coffee. Now you know why I have not gone out and gotten it yet. The next item is the Feel Harmony Rose Petal Facial Mask, and the price of this full size is, ouch, $55. You can get it at thisisfeel.com. You can get a discount, Allure 25, to receive 25% off your purchase, valid through August 29th of this year. That is a lot of money for a mask. It does have vitamin C in it. You can chill it, and it's supposed to brighten your skin over time. It also has aloe and vitamin E as well, and it smells like roses. But that is quite a bit of money for that. The Deuce Ultra Precision Eyeliner in Blue. I disagree with the prices on this brand. $22 for this eyeliner. I don't really pay 22 bucks for any eyeliner, and we do get these a lot. You can get 30% off if you use the code I30. It is valuable. Well, it could be valuable. It is valid till the end of this year. Then we have the Derma E Essentials Mineral Powder. This is $21.95 full size. You can get it at dermae.com. Allure 20 will get you 20% off of your purchase, again through the end of the year. Now about this, it says this finely milled powder is awesome for setting makeup. Great, I can use it as a setting powder, and I'm currently out of my setting powder, so I cannot wait to use this. And preventing shine on scorching days when you feel like you're going to melt. Yeah, I usually feel like I'm gonna melt. And somehow it doesn't make your skin look dull or matte in the process. Plus it's got all natural SPF 30. It has titanium dioxide and zinc oxide in the formula. So it adds extra sun protection. They do say a dermatologist recommend not using only this as your sunscreen. Just as a caveat. The Ouai Hair Care Leave-In Conditioner is $26. I kind of knew that. I said, wait, is this a... Oh, I thought it was a glass bottle. It's a plastic bottle. Okay, it's $26. You can get this at theouai.com. O-U-A-I, by the way. You can also get it in Sephora as well. But if you buy it on ouai.com, you get 15% off your purchase through the end of August of this year. And it says, the first time I tried this spray on leave-in conditioner, it was a foggy, rainy day in New York City. Sounds typical. The perfect kind of weather for putting a new hair product to the test. I spritzed it over my damp hair. She said died a little over the floral smell. Alright, let me smell this. It is very florally. Yes, I don't know if I die over it, but it is florally. Oh my goodness. Rough dried for a few minutes, then headed out into the mugginess. Normally my hair would be frizzed down in the humidity, but the spray kept it smooth until the next morning. It has polymers for holds, so you get frizz protection. My hair gets poofy, like the Poofy Poodles, in 4 seconds, so I'll put that to the test. The Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. Okay, let's read on this. This is a very cool concept. It says, a pencil that's designed to be used all over. It's perfect for traveling and executing monochromatic looks. You'll get either a brown shade, wherever walnut is the name, or a red one, full red in your box. You can experiment with using it as lip color, blush, contour. I wouldn't use a red for contour. I wouldn't use a red for eyeliner. Lip color, yes. Blush, I would not use this for blush because it'll take you 9 years to get this as blush and it's a very stiff pencil. But what they're saying is it is eye, lip, cheeks, everything safe. It is $18, pretty typical for Makeup Forever products. You can get free shipping valid through August 29th with Allure ACP. The Organic Pharmacy Antioxidant Lip Balm. This is one rich lip balm. It's so creamy and so hydrating. It's a godsend wherever lips are extra dry. And because it's thicker than 90%, 99%, what did they go out and like check, of lip balms, it gives a more obvious sheen. It actually looks more like a clear gloss than a balm. It has shea butter, rosehip, and vitamin E. It's organic. And it is $21.50. I cannot pay $21.50 for a lip balm. Me personally, just can't do it. You can get this at theorganicpharmacy.com. You can get 20% off if you use Allure 18, valid through the end of this year. And my friends, it looks like the Olay Whips was just a bonus, and because there is just a advertisement, so that is a super nice bonus to get. But overall, it's fabulous. So my friends, that is it. Thank you for sharing this unboxing with me. I love coming on here and I love talking to you guys in the comments, so keep them coming because it makes me super happy. And as usual, I hope you guys all have an amazing day, have an amazing week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!